Hello everyone, my name is Dr. S.K. Shonkar, Assistant Professor of EX Department. Today we are discuss the subject electrical drive and the topics of basic concept of electric drive. That subject is the 8th semester electrical and electronics branch. So we continue electric drives. What is means by electric drives and what types of electric drives and uh, which is called electric drives. So the system employed for motion control are called as a drive. It may employ any of prime movers such as the diesel and petrol engines, gas or steam turbines, steam engines, hydraulic motors and electric motors for supplying mechanical energy for motion control. So drives employing electric motors are called as electrical drives. And parts of electric drives. This is the block diagram for represent of parts of electric drives. First is the source, and second power modulator, then motor, load, sensing unit, and control unit. So the 6 parts of the electric drives. Description of parts of the electric drives. There is power modulator. So what is the power modulator? The power modulator regulates the output power of the source, and it consists of the power from the source to be the motor in such manner that is the transmit of the speed torque characteristics required by the load. So this perform the power modulator. And during the transient operation like starting, braking, and speed reserving the excessive current drawn from the source. And this excessive current drawn from the source may overload it or process of voltage drop, and the power modulator restrict the source and motor current. That is the role of the power modulator. Okay. And the power modulator convert the energy according to the requirement of the motor. So that is the, if the source is DC and the induction motor is the use, then power modulator convert DC into AC. So it also select the mode of the operation of the motor, that is motoring or braking. This is the mode of the motor. And second control unit. The control unit controls the power modulator, which operates the small voltage and power levels. The control unit also operates the power modulator is the desired. So it also generates the command for the protection of the power modulator and the motor. An input command signal which adjusts the operating points of the drive from input to the control units. And next one is the sensing unit. Sensing unit, it sends the certain drive parameters like motor currents and speeds. So it mainly required either for protection or for closed loop operation. That is the sensing units for. An advantage of electric drives. The major advantage of electric drives are available in the wide range of torque, speed, and power. They are adaptable to almost any operating conditions, such explosive and radioactive environment, submerged in the liquids, vertical mounting, and so on. The electrical drive does not pollute the environment. And another advantage, it can operate in 4 coordinate of speed torque plan. They can be started instantly and can immediately be fully loaded. That is, there is a no speed to refuel or warm up the motor. They have flexible control characteristics and can be employed to automatically control the drive. And they have, because of the following advantage, the mechanical energy already available on non-electrical prime movers, sometimes firstly converted into electrical energy by the generator and back to the mechanical energy of an electrical motor. So electrical link thus provide between the non-electrical prime movers and load impact of the drive flexible current control characteristics. So here, this is the disadvantage of electric drive. The power failure completely disabled for whole of the system, and the application of the drives is limited because it cannot use in a place where the power supply is not available. So this is the major disadvantage of electrical drives. It can causes noise pollution and the initial cost of is very high. So this is the major disadvantage of electric drives. And thank you.